I planned my entire wedding in Notion. I run 2 businesses in Notion. I track my finances, my yearly goals, my personal growth, all in Notion, and it cost me nothing. Zero. A completely free account. Most people use Notion for notes or for a glorified to-do list, and sometimes it gets abandoned after a few weeks. Notion is the most adaptable, usable, and underestimated tool available right now. And today, I am going to show you 5 things that you should be using it for and that you definitely didn't know was a thing. Number 5, which is one of my favorite uses, is something that really upsets me because I've come across maybe 100 people who are paying hundreds of pounds for this functionality when it's completely free through a free user account in Notion. I'm Gina. I've spent 20 years building startups. Systems and operations is kind of my thing. The thing that is now a central part of everything I built, everything I help clients build, is a solid foundation and a really usable and simple system. Notion is that foundation. It is one tool, one place, hundreds of uses, but everything all connected. By the end of this video, you will understand why I haven't spent a penny on half the software subscriptions you would assume I would need to run businesses, and that most business owners think are essential. Now, if you're a business owner and you don't know what tools to use, or even if you're using the right tools that you have, subscribe to this channel because I teach modern business building properly, and I have a free business diagnosis linked in the description of this video that will help you understand the most efficient way and the best way of setting up your business. But let's get into the ultimate, unrivaled power of Notion. The first one is the big one that I see so many people not understanding, and that is to use Notion for your complete business operating system. You do not need any SaaS product, any software, any fancy tool to build and run a company, even if you are generating millions in revenue every single year. Notion holds all your operations, your workflows, your wikis, your documents. It has built-in smart automation, so you have even less work to do, and there is no monthly cost to it. Zero. If you didn't know that you can run an entire business in Notion, I really hope you found this video. And I'm really glad you found this channel because this is what I do, and I have loads of free templates already built for you to show you how powerful this is. The main one is the complete business blueprint, and if you have a business of any size, at any maturity, this is your go-to for making sure your foundations are properly built so that anything else you do is layered on top of it. Now that is the big one, and that is the most impressive one because I work with so many businesses that have huge CRM systems, big shiny products, and are spending upwards of $100 a month for something that is not necessary. And the second way in which I use Notion, you could use Notion, and you probably didn't know you can use Notion, is to run all of your finances, whether you're a business, an individual, a family, knowing where your money actually is, where it's going, and whether what you actually think is happening with your finances matches the reality. This is an income tracker. Every payment is logged, every month has a running total, and at any point, you can see exactly what you've earned, what you're spending, where you can make those optimizations, and you can do this monthly, weekly, quarterly, yearly. You can throw in all of your expenses, every subscription, every tool, every cost, logged, categorized, and managed properly. Notion is so often used as a note taker, and actually for any household, this is a super powerful way that you should and could be using Notion. Number 3, event planning. And I'm talking huge scale events. In November last year, I created the world's first Valorant event in London. This event sold out in less than 8 minutes, hit 1.4 million views on Twitter, and was co-streamed globally to over 450,000 viewers. And I planned this all in Notion. Everything from contracting and planning, scouting and budgeting, supply databases, payment schedules. It was all within a free Notion account. Anyone who manages any event of any scale, whether that's at work, in their personal life, does not need any event software. You do need a place to track everything and project manage, and Notion is your place. I planned our entire wedding through Notion. I had mood boards, I had visuals, I had itinerary, I had the guest list. Every time we do a group trip as well, we use Notion. We have options for destinations, itineraries, shared costs, links to accommodation. all in one page that can be published to the web so anyone, even if they don't have a Notion account, can still see and input. It's so much better than trying to make decisions through group chats or polls. There's no spreadsheet, there's no change of information. Everyone can see everything visually, and planning is so much easier. If you have an event coming up or you are someone who plans events professionally, this is genuinely such a useful thing to use Notion for. With its administration access as well, you can share this with people outside of your organization, outside of your friendship group, and they only get access to the information you want them to see. It has the functionality of really expensive event management tools for absolutely nothing. Now, number 4 is the one that I think has the most personal impact. And I love that our Queen, Grace Beverley, uses it as well. Using Notion to set goals that you actually track and manage, incredible. It's actually life-changing. You can manage your own learning and development properly, and I find in a really fun, satisfying way. I have all my yearly goals in one page. At the top, I have the big ones that matter. The things that I really want to get done that are not just kind of aspirations like going to the gym or making more money, things that take work and dedication and time. Within each of these goals, I have them broken down into milestones and actions. So it's not just something that I've written in my diary sitting on a page. It has actual next steps attached. And every week when I do my weekly review on a Sunday, and if you've subscribed to this channel for a long time, you know that is my day for planning, I check in against these and my business ops to see, are my actions actually putting forward to what I want to achieve? Are my milestones realistic? Do I need adjusting? Do I need to do more? Now, number 5 is one that most people have genuinely never considered and is an absolute game changer, especially if you're a freelancer or a consultant. You can use Notion as a free, very professional looking public facing portfolio. If you run events, you can have the end event showcased. If you do any client work, you can have your end client work showcased. Notion has this amazing feature, which is literally called Publish to Web, where you build a page or a section in Notion, you publish it to the web, and it becomes a live URL that you can share with anyone. You don't have to pay for a website, you don't have to pay for a domain, you don't have to pay for anything. You don't need someone to make it look pretty, you don't need someone to code it. You get a very clean, professional looking page on the internet that can house your portfolio, your case studies, your interests. It can have your bio, your services, examples of your work across anything. You can also have client results, testimonials. You can lay things out in blocks to look super clean and professional, and it will work like a real website because it technically is one. This feature of Publish to Web is available to any plan. So even on the free version, you can have a website for your portfolio, your business, your idea, your holiday for completely free. And because it's Notion, updating it literally takes seconds. It's just like moving a page around. You don't have to update a CMS. You don't have to break a layout. You don't have to wait for a designer to do it for you. You can literally move things in real time. And if you link it to a database of your work, you can filter it. So you can only show the work relevant to the person that you're sending that URL to. That means your portfolio is not only online, but really easy, adaptable, and made even more personal every time you share it, all for completely free. Seriously, I've seen people spending so much money a month on website subscriptions, especially ones particularly for portfolios when they do not need it. Notion does all of that for free and does an entire website if you want to launch a product. And if you want to do that, I have a video that teaches you exactly how to do that in the proper sections for a convertible landing page. So go and watch that video when you just rounded out on this one. Because these 5 things are things that you should be using Notion for, that you're probably not. But the best thing to use Notion for is to build any business or any way to make money of any type. Running your entire business as a connected system, whether you are a freelancer, a creator, a startup, a founder, or even a giant company, is the best way to utilize tools and tech. Having Notion as a foundation, because it is so good at processes and systems, and then layering on your business, your brand, your automations on top, is the modern way of building a business. But if you just want to plan events, manage your finances, have a nice shiny portfolio that you can share at the drop of a hat, grab Notion right now, because all of that is possible on the free account. Grab yourself the complete business blueprint. This is my 20 years of startup building experience. in one workspace that is the entirety of the systems and operations that any business needs. It comes with example data so you can see exactly how it works, and you can have your business up and running in your free account in the same day. And if you are inspired to use Notion for your business and you're not quite sure where to start with your business foundations, whether that's systems, strategy, or both, grab yourself the free business diagnosis. This is a structured look at how your business is currently operating, what's working, what might need fixing, and it helps you understand what to focus on first. And if you don't want to do it alone, drop me an email, because I specialize in taking ideas and businesses and making sure they are set up properly, and then layering on tools, tech, and AI to make sure that you can focus on the things that move your business forward: human connectivity, community, and storytelling. And if this has inspired you to get Notion, I'm so glad you found me. This channel teaches you how to use Notion for business building and to make your life easier. So if you found that useful or you want to learn more, do subscribe.